If you want to fly like eagles, don't sit with ducks. Teach your children early what you learned late. If you don't learn the lesson, life will repeat the test. People may start disliking you when they can't control you. When the past comes knocking, don't answer. It has nothing new to tell you. The less men think, the more they talk. The best weight to lose is the weight of other people's opinions. We live among jealous people with friendly faces. Be true, but don't be a fool. People laugh at me. I'm because different. I laugh at them because they're all the same. Before you start anything, learn how to finish it. Never tell all you know, not even to the person you know best. The wise man will be cheated only once. Distance yourself from the people that you don't want to become. A winner is a dreamer who never stops. No matter how good you are, if you are in a wrong place, you are worthless. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Observation is the greatest source of wisdom. The fears we don't face become our limit. Everyone you meet has something to teach you. Find people who will make you better. Never let your loyalty make a fool of you. Don't be so quick to judge me. You only see what I choose to show you. The young people think the old people are fools, but the old people know the young people are fools. Jealousy makes people tell the worst lies on you. When I lost my excuses, I found my results. Keep the ones who heard you when you never spoke a word. Work on you for you. Never forget where you come from. Doing something you love is never a waste of time. When you choose peace, it comes with a lot of goodbyes. I find comfort in the language of silence. Your goals should scare you a little and excite you a lot. Don't criticize what you don't understand. Life begins outside of the comfort zone. Mind is a flexible mirror. Adjust it to see a better world. Speak kindly to yourself. Your soul is always listening. Everyone has a story. Listen to it before you judge. No teacher can teach experience. Man is ignorant of the pain he causes others. If it makes you happy, go for it. Life is too short to live the same day twice. Be as hungry as a lion and as focused as an eagle. Tolerance becomes a crime when applied to evil. Never show love until you see loyalty. Loyalty is a precious thing. Not everyone can have it. Slow progress is better than no progress. The biggest comeback is making yourself happy again. Being a nice person means being nice to yourself as well. Problems are part of life, and facing them with smile is art of life. Talking comes by nature, silence by wisdom. People who can be very good can be very bad too. Many people are educated, but not totally mannered. Don't let people know too much about you. Too much ego will kill your talent. Accept people as they are, but place them where they belong. The greatest thing you can give yourself is freedom from what others think. Please smile. Nobody cares what you feel inside. A good life needs some bad days. Think big, start small, learn fast. Educating the mind without educating the heart is no education at all. It's nice to be important, but it's more important to be nice. Everyone thinks of changing the world, but no one thinks of changing himself. A wise person should have money in their head, but not in their heart. Everyone has skills and talent, but not everyone has a strategy. Most people do not listen with the intent to understand. They listen with the intent to reply. Even at your worst, the right one will see your worth. Opportunities are like sunrises. If you wait too long, you miss them. There is no better test of a man's integrity than his behavior when he is wrong. Don't waste your time on people who don't value your efforts. Being different isn't a bad thing. It means you are brave enough to be yourself. Never beg for a friendship or relationship with anyone. If you don't receive the same efforts you give, cut them off. No flies get into a shut mouth. One of the saddest things in life is the things one remembers. The root of most of suffering is lack of money. 4 ways to identify your enemy. Look for those who criticize you without any constructive feedback. Those who constantly try to bring you down and create obstacles. Who intentionally spread false rumors or misinformation about you. Who show signs of jealousy and envy towards your success and achievements. It is no bad thing to celebrate a simple life. We are not rich by what we possess, but by what we can do without. Accept every situation with a smile. Anger doesn't solve anything. It builds nothing, but it can destroy everything. If someone ignores you or avoids you, just leave them. It's called self-respect. Love yourself, because you're the only person who will be with you your entire life. Your journey may look different to everyone else's, but it's yours. Be a priority, not an option. Satisfy your soul, not the society. Happiness is the highest level of success. Invest your energy into something that is going to contribute to your growth. Don't try to rush things that take time to grow. Letting go doesn't mean you stop caring. It means you stop trying to force others. The successful person has a goal and plans, but the loser has justifications. Don't doubt your worth, comparing yourself to others. Sit with the winners, and the conversation is different. Everything you do comes back to you. Enjoy your own company instead of expecting someone else make you happy. Formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune. the strongest of all warriors.